investors. My name is Deborah Davis, the CEO of Caribbean Value Investor, and with me this afternoon is Mr. Stevwn.Jasmin, the CEO and Managing Director of Smart City Clearing Company Limited. So I'm going to be speaking with Mr. Jasmin just to kind of get an understanding of what their company does, their positioning, their investment mandate, and actually their interest in the Caribbean region, particularly the Jamaica Stock Exchange. So, Mr. Jasmin, a pleasure. Welcome to Jamaica.
Thank you for having me. Absolutely.
So, why don't you start by telling us just a little bit about your background and then a little bit about the inception of Smart City Clearing Company?
Absolutely. So I'm an investment banker from the United States, family office manager, focusing, background focused in offshore oil and gas. And so about 30 months ago, I moved down to Georgetown, Guyana, and opened up my merchant bank and have launched portfolio companies and focused on helping Guyana get to first oil, which I now have gotten to as of yesterday, and which is a big milestone. And now focused on helping the economy grow and Guyana grow as it is the largest per capita oil country in the world.
Wow, and those are remarkable achievements indeed. So the Caribbean currently has one of the best performing stock exchanges and the fastest growing economy, and you see some opportunities in that. So could you tell me what mix is?
Yeah, absolutely. So traditionally speaking, in most frontier markets, public equity in the capital markets have a hard time accessing the opportunities there, especially very early in the growth cycle, because they're more concerned about getting their house in order before they get the and Guyana is no exception. With that said, though, the Jamaican stock exchange and the Jamaican capital markets are vibrant, as you said, the fastest growing in the world. And so with that, I see it as an opportunity for international financial community to really be able to gain exposure down into Guyana through some of the funds that we intend to take public here on the Jamaican Stock Exchange or the Junior Stock Exchange.
It's very interesting. I like the approach. So what you're basically doing is you're enabling that external capital that would not otherwise be able to access those opportunities within Guyana. Through your medium, through your fund, they would be able to access it through the registered market, which is the Jamaica Stock Exchange.
Correct. So we plan on listing numerous IPOs, either directly as for our own broker-dealer or an affiliate. And so we will be having residential IPO, residential development, infrastructure development, oil field service companies, and each junior exchange company will then be run with a private equity on using public equity. And so what we would do is we would go out. Guyana is a new country and needs a lot of smart money and a lot of strategic partners and to help build and develop capacity in joint venturing with the local Guyanese. And so what I'm doing is I'm bringing the public equity cornerstone investments from international partners that are going to work with my local brokers to be able to develop new companies that will grow within 5 to 7 years.
Okay.
As developed on the private equity portfolio side.
Okay. And would there be a plan like an exit in some of those companies?
So right now I foresee in 5 to 7 years Guyana will get its financial house in order, and we will end up IPOing on the Guyana Stock Exchange the portfolio companies, which then would be converted, the shares that are on the Jamaica Stock Exchange will be done on a converted basis and paid out. And then we'd also be issuing subsequent rounds of funds through different share class holdings, much like the Sagicor Select.
So you mentioned something earlier. You mentioned the Sagicor Select Fund, but you also mentioned private equity and using that in sort of like a transitionary way. So could you just tell me a little bit more about your investment like mandate or the specific strategy that you're using and how that incorporates the Sagicor Select? What part of the Sagicor Select structure you're using?
Much like the Sagicor Select Fund has a portfolio or basket of public equities, we would have a much smaller basket of private equities. So, instead of 30 to 50 public equity stocks that they hold, there'll be 3 traditional companies that meet a certain investment criteria and mandate per the listing of the fund offering.
Oh, Okay, I understand. So, if, for example, you mentioned your like a real estate or residential, so you'd have like three different companies, and the structure
For projects, real estate.
right in real estate, and those would comprise that particular fund.
Yes, that IPO.
Exactly. So that's very interesting.
Yeah, and it's not just on the real estate side, it's also on the, the service companies, whether it's the oil field service companies, franchises are going to come into Guyana, the need to establish and buy franchise licenses, or rollout commitments, those are the kinds of things. We pick 3 franchises that are world renowned, that we would invest into with international partners that already operate, hundreds of units around the world with those franchises. And that would help give us price discovery as to what the valuation of this lot should be at inception. And then as we develop the trading history and develop both as the actual new company that has been formed as well as on the stock exchange, we'll be able, through our transparency, be able to let shareholders see exactly what we're doing, so that way in 5 to 7 years when it's time for the public company to stock exchange, we already have a track record, we've already been run from a corporate governance standpoint like a publicly traded company.
Yes.
And so it'll be a very easy transition.
Could you tell me just a little bit more about what like the current feel is like in Guyana? What's the sentiment around the new discovery of oil? What is the kind of the economic perception of the ordinary Guyanese? You've been there for 30 months, so probably got a feel of that.
Absolutely. So it's, everyone has a lot of preconceived notions and doesn't necessarily understand the gravitas of what's going on. Over the past 30 months, while they're running through exploration and development and getting to production, it's sort of been like a tsunami comes. So right before the tsunami hits, all the water comes out. And then people can walk out and buy before, it's sucking up all the water before it rolls over. And that's what the past 30 months have been. As Guyana has worked to get its house and affairs in order, some of the gray market has slowed down, some of the velocity of money has slowed down, so people have been struggling a bit, which is unfortunate, and so it's made them jaded, but at the end of the day, the real investment opportunity, which is what your audience cares about, has to do more with everything is McDonald's. We still don't even have McDonald's in Guyana. And so with that, there's a lot of opportunity for growth, and it's not just focusing on the oil sector where everyone in Guyana is focused. I think that's the whole grail. It's
a domino effect.
It's the domino effect. You know what I mean? And it's also a big part of the price of power. Like all Caribbean countries, power is extremely expensive. But with the amount of produced natural gas that's been found and discovered, there's an opportunity now to bring the price of power down from 62 cents a kilowatt hour to 10 to 12 cents a kilowatt hour. And Guyana is the breadbasket of the fruit. 50% of the fruits and vegetables every day get thrown away because they can't afford to process them, can them, refrigerate them, store them, or ship them out. And so, under this new Guyana that's going to be developing and emerging, those kinds of things will become a reality. And that's where investors and private companies will have a lot of opportunity to come into the market and corner the market and get in early enough to get a foothold in the position where partnerships we're looking to establish.
I'm sorry, this is very. I myself gets elated because one of the things that we do is we also try to find opportunities, particularly in what we consider undervalued markets or undervalued industries. It would seem to me that if we were looking for an entrance into Guyana and we didn't necessarily have a direct route, then perhaps your establishment, your offer would be that gateway through which we could actually gain exposure to Guyana, to those opportunities.
Yes, both the domestic Jamaican market as well as the regional market, but then we're also looking at the international market, which is great for Jamaica. Michael Lee Chin and Senator Alvin Hill, the Economic Growth Council are looking to really transition Jamaica into a financial services hub for the region. We feel this is a very viable, active solution that will occur. And if Jamaica doesn't step up, then the money is going to come in regardless. So we need to work to make that a reality together so that Jamaica can be a part of that.
So there's already actually a lot of interest in Jamaica in terms of even the diaspora being willing to reinvest in Jamaica. A part of what we do as our business is to actually connect persons who are seeking to invest in Jamaica with the approved financial institutions. So, and we've seen an increasing number of persons expressing an interest, whether it's at trade show, whether it's at alumni associations that are based overseas. The different communities are now expressing that, look, we see the Jamaica Stock Exchange on the NASDAQ, we see them on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. What's going on in our country and how can we be a part of it?
Absolutely. And it's not just the Jamaican diaspora, it's the Guyanese diaspora, it's the Caribbean diaspora.
Pretty much. Exactly.
And they all want to participate as well. So we're looking at it as, once we're trading, access very easily because we're publicly trading. And to start, the institutional investors can allocate 1.5 to 2% of their allocation of their portfolio to frontier emerging markets are able to be eligible for investing in Jamaica.
Wow, Mr. Jasmin, absolutely phenomenal concept that you have, and I can definitely see the many benefits that will come, not just for local or regional investors, but certainly for the international investors seeking to gain interest within, or seeking to acquire interest within this new paradigm that not just Jamaica and not just Guyana, but pretty much the entire Caribbean is entering into.
Without a doubt.
Mr. Jasmin, thank you for your time.
Thank you for having me. I appreciate it.
You know what I would ideally love?
Cheers.